Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into an incredible law of life, Law 24. You must make pressure your privilege. This law holds the key to understanding how the pressures we face can be harnessed to lead us to success, happiness, and a life truly worth living. But before we get into it, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some people thrive under immense pressure while others crumble? Well, stay tuned, because today we're going to reveal the secret that separates those who conquer life's challenges from those who merely survive. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental concept: pressure is a privilege. Now, when you hear this, it might sound a bit counterintuitive, right? Well, that's because it's crucial to distinguish between stress and pressure. Stress is our internal response, while pressure is an external force. Think of it this way: one person's stress can be another's pleasure. The key is how we perceive and relate to pressure. In fact, all my greatest privileges in life have come on the heels of intense pressure. Now, this might blow your mind. A study revealed that people who believe stress is harmful have a 43% increased risk of dying. Yes, you heard that right. It's not the stress itself. It's our perception of it that can be deadly. So, how can we change that perception and use stress to our advantage? Well, hang on, we'll get there. Did you know that you can turn your stress response into a performance booster? Researchers at Harvard found that seeing stress as helpful can improve confidence and overall performance. Not only that, it can change your physiological response, making your cardiovascular system healthier. That's right, it can literally transform your body's response to pressure, making it similar to moments of joy and courage. Ever thought about how reframing anxiety as excitement can elevate your performance? Studies have shown that people who view anxiety as excitement perform better in tasks such as sales, negotiating, and public speaking. So, one simple mindset shift can be the difference between a stress-induced heart attack at 60 and living till 90. The goal is not to eliminate pressure, it's to change our relationship with it. It's about recognizing the privilege, meaning, and context that pressure brings to our lives. Aspirational pressures, like building a business or raising a child, can be seen as a privilege. On the other hand, mundane, low autonomy pressures can feel like pain. Remember, the most meaningful challenges come with a few dark nights on the side of Everest. So, how do you master pressure? There's a 4-step approach. 1. See it, acknowledge the stress, name it, and engage your conscious brain. This simple act can change how your brain responds, allowing you to choose a more enhanced response. 2. Share it, connect with loved ones and your community during stressful times. It can change the psychological impact of stress and build resiliency. 3. Frame it, recognize the positive role that pressure plays. Pressure exists when something matters. It's a signal that you care, so frame it in that context for positive motivation. 4. Use it, don't fight pressure. Use it to excel. Stress is designed to push you to perform your best mentally and physically. Don't shy away from it. Embrace it. But there's an even bigger picture. We're living in a comfort crisis, and it's slowly suffocating us. We're designed to thrive under the right types of pressure, both physically and mentally. Avoiding these pressures has led to obesity, heart disease, and other preventable illnesses. Hard is the price we pay today for an easy tomorrow. In conclusion, remember Law 24, you must make pressure your privilege. Pressure isn't your enemy, it's your ally on the journey of life. It's a privilege, a sign that something matters. By changing your perspective, you can harness the creative power of stress and pressure while minimizing their detrimental effects. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information valuable, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on mastering life's challenges. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, embrace the pressure and thrive.